Hi, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to share with you why this is one of my favorite babies here in the kitchen. It's my Omega Vertical Juicer. Not only it's easy to use, it's easy to clean, but the high nutritious juices I can make out of it is priceless. I would spend money outside buying cold press juicing, and now I can just make it from scratch at home and drink it fresh. I love it not only to juice my vegetables, but I love making my almond milk here. At first, I was a little hesitant and afraid to invest on this, but it's so worth it because it gives you 15 years of coverage for any part that's damaged or that gets broken. And they're so easy to work with. I've had several parts replaced without any issues. This still works like a new item, and it's a beautiful investment that not only gives you health, but it also allows you to give the best quality drinks to your family. I love it, and that is just my point of view.